Yo, what's up? So right now I wanted to try this solo dungeon here, and it is the All of Illusion, and so right now it's Molgras and Murdock, and I wanted to try the tier 3 here because I did all my weekly runs and I got all my rewards, but they were all like tier 1, and so right now I wanted to try tier 3 and see if I'm able to do it or whatever. And one important thing to note here is that all the gear that I'm using right now, it's all tier 1, and so there's no tier 2, there's no arch boss weapons, and so it should be pretty easy to replicate everything that I have here. I mean, I have a tier 2 1 here, but for now I'm gonna stick to my tier 1 weapon here, and so that's kind of what it is. And another thing to note also is that I'm gonna play with two builds. I have an AoE build and also have a single target build, and so for the first stage here I'm gonna use my AoE build because it's easier. And so let's just go right in, I guess. Okay, so here I'm gonna get the HP. Alright. Alright, so about clearing everything here. It's a block right there. Getting rid of these orbs. Oh, I think I missed an orb. Okay, I need to dodge. Okay, that's the rats. Okay. I need to be careful with the rats. Which one of the effects? Okay, I need to destroy this. Is there an orb? Yes. There you go. Big AoE. Alright, get some mana here. Okay, there's an orb. There we go. Okay. Those are the last two. Block. Alright, so that's done. So let's see the next boss here. And so this boss, I read about the strategy, but we'll see. So now I'm gonna switch for my single target build. Alright, DPS here. Alright, so let me try this. I'm gonna take the HP here. Alright, so here we go, big damage. So let me go behind the totem here. So the idea in this with this boss is that you have to align all the totems. So then when the boss does the ray or whatever, then it destroys all the totems. Okay. Here we go. That just destroyed all the totem. That's sick. No, that's not gonna do anything. Okay. That's a new totem, so let me go behind it. That's a block. Okay. Okay, let me go. He's gonna destroy all the totems. Touch that. Okay, we continue the damage. This thing is not going to do anything because there's no totem. Let me get a little bit of mana here. So here there's a totem. There's a block. You have to be careful with the red totem though, because you can't destroy that one. Okay. That's a dodge. That's perfect right here. Let's continue the damage. Because if you destroy the red totem, then you get some damage, so you must not destroy that one. That's not gonna do anything. That's fine. Let me go behind this one here. That's fine. Wait, it's so far, bro. Okay, let me stay in line. One more. Jump. You must not destroy. When he says one more, you have to go away. Should be able to do this. Oh, I'm not sure exactly if I'm gonna be able to destroy all of them. Yeah, I think I'm fine actually. Not sure if there's a totem behind or something. Yeah, okay, I destroyed all the totems. Sick. That's not gonna do anything. Okay, let me go behind it. Okay, block that. Alright, so there you go. You kind of have to follow the mechanics, but it's easily doable. Okay, so let me continue here. Okay, yeah, this thing, okay. I cannot heal here, so I kind of have to do this maze. Okay, hook. Let's continue. Hook. Hook. All right. Water pump. Let's keep going. Hook. 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 Okay, I think there's a water pump right here. Oh, I took some damage here. I was not paying attention. Okay. So far, so good. There's a hook here. Okay, let's continue. Oh boy, okay. That's fine. Okay, that's a hook. Another one. Okay. Water pump. Hook. Should be almost done here. Hook up. Alright. So hook up. I think that's the end of it soon. Alright. So now the last boss. Okay, so I'm gonna take the stamina here. Yep. Alright, so I got the stamina this time. Okay, so let's see this. Big damage here. Get out of that, okay. I guess I'm not fast enough. Okay. Block. So I don't think I can block this charge, but it doesn't seem to do a lot of damage, so whatever. Block. I'm gonna need some stamina, mana soon. Okay, get out of that. Yeah, it's easy in the raid or something. Here, let me get some a little bit of mana here. All right. Okay, careful with the portals. Okay, I'm fine. Block. Okay, I don't think I needed to block actually. I can't dodge this one. I detail you have to avoid that one. Okay, I did not need to dodge that. Okay, the portals, jump. Come on, I was jumping. Can't move right now. Okay, I think I'm fine. Okay, so there's a lot of dodges in this one, but if you're able to heal, it's pretty easy. Okay, so that was tier 3 here, so that was my first clear of tier 3. And I can't get the rewards or anything because I already got all of them. So now let me go through my builds, okay? So let's just go. I'm gonna remove the camera. So here, this is my build right now. I'm only using T1 gear. It looks like this. So now let's talk about my AoE build from the first stage. So those are my skills right here. This is my AoE build. Those are my specs with the staff. And then this is the wand. And then if you look at my masteries, this is my staff mastery for my AoE build. And then this is the wand. Alright, so now let's talk about my single target DPS build. So those are my skills. This is what I'm using for bosses right now. And I'm using Vampire Contract to heal myself and sustain myself. It's very important. And then those are my staff specs. And then this is the wand. And then if you look at the masteries, this is the staff masteries. This is the wand. And so that's kind of what it is. I hope this is helpful to you. Alright, peace.